Watch this full video to see how your tool can make a gun out of another pen. Please channel my subscribe and like and share and comment. God bless you all. First, take the pen. First, remove the small pencil from that pen. Remove the touching pin from the old notebook. Put a touching pin or pencil access on it. See how you can do it at other homes too. Remove another tracking pin from the notebook. Very careful and attach it to the rubber by touching the pin. And attach it to the top of the pencil. See how your pencil gun and work very simple and powerful gun. It's very easy. First, put the waste bottle in and experiment on it. It's very simple. You too can make a powerful gun out of other pencil. See how this guy did it too. First, insert the pencil lid into the pencil and rub it with the rubber. Let me know how you like this video by commenting. If you like the video, like, subscribe, share, comment, and may God bless you and protect you all.